Ray. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about this beautiful hairstyle that I'm rocking, the hairstyle that you see so many people wearing. Yes, guys, I tried it. I tried the Butterfly Locs hairstyle, and today I'm going to share with you how I did the style, which is very easy. Anyone can do it. I'm going to show you the method that I use. I'm going to show you the brand of hair that I use, and I'm going to answer some questions that you might have about this hair and this hairstyle. So if you're not already and you enjoy weekly beauty related videos, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you will be notified whenever I do post a new upload. It is every week, but I'm still kind of sporadic, so just so that you don't miss it, go ahead and click that bell, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, you guys, so as I said, we are going to be talking about this beautiful hairstyle, this Butterfly Locs hairstyle. And guys, I have been wanting to try this hairstyle for a while, but I was really nervous because I was like, okay, when I saw how people were wrapping it and doing just all that, I was like, there's no way that I can do that. I was just very intimidated by the entire hairstyle. So that was what was kind of preventing me from trying the hairstyle. However, our good friends at Toyotress sent me this hair to try, and so I decided to give it a whirl and go ahead and try the hairstyle. Now I did crochet these locks into my head, and this is what I have left of the hair. The hair was sent to me by a company called Toyotress. So here's their information, and they also have a website, which I will put their website in the description box. But I believe this company is on Amazon as well, which I will find the hair and link the Amazon shop where you can buy the hair, as well as toyotress.com, which is the website where you can also order hair. I have in my head the 12-inch 1B in the Butterfly Locs, and this comes pre-wrapped. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like. Keep in mind, guys, you guys may not know this, but I've had this hair in for a week. So, and Butterfly Locs is a style where the more you have it in, similar to like passion twist or anything like that, the more you have it in or the longer you have it in, the more distressed it starts to look. So this is after about a week of me having this style, but it did not look like this when I first did the hairstyle. So I'm going to show you guys what the pre-wrapped locks look like so that you have a better idea of what they look like. So these are the pre-wrapped locks, and as you can see, they're really nice. It's got the butterfly loops on there, and these are really, really soft to the touch. And again, this is 12-inch, and as you guys can see, it holds up really well, and it looks, I think the longer you have it in, actually the better it starts to look because it looks more natural. But this is the hair, and they sent me this package which came with 8 bundles of these, and so I have a total of 6 of these bundles in my head, and there are 10 strands in each. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well, 9 or 10. This one I think had 9, unless I didn't count it right. But I think another pack that I'm gonna say these each have 10 strands in here. I think I just miscounted. But yes, I was able to do my whole head with the entire pack that they sent me and still have some left over. So I will link this hair down below if you guys are interested in trying out Toyotress. I know that they do often offer coupon codes on their Instagram, so I'll put their Instagram handle as well, because they do mention that you are able to DM them on Instagram and get a discount so that you can get this hairstyle as well if you would like. And overall, you guys, this hairstyle took me about 7 hours to do from start to finish. Now keep in mind, these are individual crochet. I did individual throughout my whole head. So with that being said, I had to individually plait my hair and then install the twist. So I would say maybe installation took about 5 hours. And also keep in mind, guys, my hair is longer. So some pieces of my hair are just as long as these twists. So with that being said, you have to like thread each piece of your hair throughout the entire twist, which can take a little bit longer if you have longer hair. So do keep that in mind. And you guys will see how long my hair is and how I actually feed the hair into each piece. I'm going to show you guys how I am able to part my hair in the back and get clean straight parts, and how I actually, like I said, individually put each one of my plaits into the twist. And guys, my hair is like a number 4 color. This is 1B, but it still blends in very nicely, and you can't see my hair. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. And I do want you guys to also keep in mind, if you guys have longer hair, like I would say if your hair is like past bra strap length, you might want to get a longer inch in this, just because you want your hair to be able to fully fit inside of the lock. Another method that you can use, which I don't show because I did not do that method, if you don't want to do individuals throughout the whole thing, you can do individuals like in the top or the perimeter and then crochet the middle. That is also an option if you want to save time. So I think I went over all of the questions that I think you guys might have. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. Again, I shot this video a week ago, so you will see me. I'm going to show you how I part my hair, and then I'm going to show you how I individually install each butterfly lock. So yes, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so to get started, I'm showing you how I create my parts as neatly as possible. So right now I'm starting off at the back with a like medium sized section. I'm using a floor length mirror in the front of me. I'm standing in front of my bathroom mirror, and I also have a handheld mirror. Now I will say parting does take the longest for me, and I often have to start and stop and redo it just to make sure that it's straight. So don't beat yourself up if you struggle at this part as well. And I'll also say using a rat tail comb with the metal end is going to help you get crisp, clean parts as well. So now that I've created my part, I'm adding some edge control, and I'm starting off my section with a braid slash plait at the top, and then I'm going to move on to a twist. Now the reason that I do this is because the braid slash plait is going to create like a more sturdy base for us, but I have longer to medium length hair, so twisting and not braiding the entirety is going to just make it go by faster. And then also what I want to mention as well, when you're doing your sections, make sure you don't do your braids too tight, because you want to be able to loop that crochet hair through. You want to be able to loop the lock through your hair when you go to crochet, and if you do it too tight, you might experience some breakage, and it might be kind of sore and tender. So don't feel like you have to do a very tight braid. Just give yourself a little bit of grace and wiggle room to be able to get that crochet lock through there. And I'm going to part one more section so that you guys can see what it looks like, and this time I am going to speed the next clip up. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to show you how I crochet the locks into my head. I have 2 pieces left, and what I'm doing is kind of opening up that space to go ahead and crochet. You guys see my little braid twist that I have, and I'm inserting the crochet needle through the base. I'm showing you my base where I have a little bit of space to be able to crochet that hair through. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm inserting the crochet needle through the base, then I am hooking that hair on to the crochet hook, closing the crochet needle and pulling that through my base of my real hair. And then I'm going to take the crochet lock and put it through that little loop, and this hair is pre-looped, so it's pretty much already done for you, and I'm pulling it through. Now the next part is what is kind of time consuming of this style, but you do want to take your time because you want your twists, your locks to look very neat, and that is crocheting your hair through each individual lock. Now what you do is take the crochet hook through the lock, and then you open the crochet needle, and then you're going to take your hair and loop it onto the crochet needle and pull it through the lock. And you're going to do that all the way down the lock until you have no more hair to until your hair is completely concealed. Now it is easy to get lazy during this step because I did that a few times, but you want to take your time and make sure you do this in small sections so that your hair is as easily concealed through the lock as possible, because that's just going to allow you to give a more natural look. So again, I'm putting the crochet needle through the lock, then I'm putting my hair onto the crochet needle, and then I'm pulling it through the lock, and I'm doing that all the way down until my hair is completely concealed into the lock. Now if you have longer hair, this might take a little bit of time. If you have shorter hair, this will take no time for you and you'll be done very soon. Now keep in mind, these are 12-inch locks, so if you have longer hair than me, you will probably want to do a longer length. And now you guys see I'm at the very end. I'm going to show you guys one more time how to do this, and I will be right back with that.
Oh my God.
Can you say hi?
Hi.